Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I've come up with a ONAM makeup tutorial. I got a lot of requests to do this ONAM makeup, so I have come up with one. I hope you guys like this video. Before we get into the tutorial, I want to wish all my Malayali viewers a very happy ONAM, and I'm very excited for this tutorial because it's my first time ONAM makeup tutorial. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm sorry for stare. First of all, I'm applying a very thin layer of primer on my face. I'm using the Color Bars primer. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn above my eyes. I'm prepping my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm using Juvias Play's Mini Masquerade palette, and I'm taking this terracotta shade on my outer crease and I am blending it thoroughly. I'm taking my time and blending it. You can use any palette that has earthen tones to try this look out, not specifically this palette. You can use any other palette of your choice as well. Next, I'm going with this beige color from the palette and applying it on the inner and the outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm applying the compressed gold glitter shade from the palette and applying it with my pinky finger on the middle portion of my eyelid, and later on I'm going to just blend it out with a brush. Next, for eyeliner, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I'm taking my time to draw a very clean line. Next, for foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop liquid foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I have already reviewed this on my channel, and if you want to see it, then I'm going to tag it on the top right corner. You can click on it to watch it. I'm using the same concealer that I used as a primer for my eyelid, also to highlight the high points of my face, and I'm going to blend it with a brush. I'm using LA Girl's Pro HD powder in the shade True Bronze to set my concealer. I don't like to overdo my brows, so I have kept it as natural as possible. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. For Kajal, I'm going to use Nykaa's Bold Eyem Kajal. I really like this Kajal because it has a gel consistency and sets after a while and does not budge. You can see that the lower portion of my under eye has smudged because I've placed my finger on it. I'll later on correct it with the beauty blender. For lens, I'm using PAC Cosmetics Iris lens in the shade brown. I thought I might show this to you guys in one video, and here it is. For contour, I'm using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette in the shade Dark. I'm using the same terracotta brown on my lower lash area as well and blending it along with the kajal. This is Black Cherry Bold Lip Liner from Nykaa. I really love this. You would have seen me using it a million times by now. I thought of applying a gloss on top of this, but later on I changed my mind. I just left it like that. To set my makeup, I am using Wet n Wild's Natural Setting Spray. I'm using Nykaa 24 karat gold highlighter. I'm using a very minimal amount of it. We're done with the makeup. Next is the costume change, some bottu and chandanam. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, until next time guys, bye bye.